Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce using ketchup. Let's start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite ketchup, which forms the sweet and tangy foundation of our sauce. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil to sauté our aromatics. Don't forget 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic to build a flavorful base. These simple items are the starting point for a surprisingly delicious sauce. Now let's build some serious flavor. Heat your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and cook it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, toss in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Finally, pour in your 1 cup of ketchup, stir everything together, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes to meld the flavors. To elevate your ketchup-based pasta sauce, it's time for some classic Italian-inspired seasonings. Stir in 1 full teaspoon of dried oregano, which brings a lovely earthy note. Follow that with 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil for a touch of sweetness and aroma. A 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper will add a subtle kick. If you enjoy a bit of warmth, a small pinch of red pepper flakes can be a fantastic addition, but it's entirely optional for your taste. Our ketchup pasta sauce is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your preference. If it's too acidic, a tiny pinch of sugar can balance it out. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this surprisingly delicious sauce warm over your favorite cooked pasta, whether it's spaghetti, penne, or fusilli. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese makes a perfect garnish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.